Watch where you're putting that marker, because you're going to get it all over your shirt.
Oh.
Put it on the paper. No. Oh.
What's Christmas?
Wrong side. You're going to smoosh the edge. No. Other side. Turn it around. Yeah. Like this. Look. Look in there. See that?
Oh.
Push it on there. Great job.
I know one. This one.
What color's that?
Blue.
Green.
Green.
Green. B. You got to treat your markers well so they last a long time.
Oh.
Okay? What color's that?
It's blue.
It's yellow.
It's yellow. Okay, now one.
What color's that?
Blue.
No. What color is it?
No.
No.
What's that?
What color?
I don't know.
It's the color of an apple.
Apple.
What color's an apple? Tell Mommy, what color's an apple?
This one.
Yeah, you're right, that one. Now, what color? Red?
Red.
Yeah. Yeah. Goof.
Look.
Look! Oh, don't get on the table.
Oh, look.
Mm-hmm. Crazy hands.
Look. It's blue.
Let's look at your hands. Show them to the camera. Did Mommy say don't get marker on your hands?
No.
Oops. Bye-bye.